Hey loves, thanks for tuning back into Braidednikki. Today's lesson is learning how to cornrow. This tutorial is mainly for beginners that need to learn the foundation of how to start and maintain a cornrow neatly. So if that's you, then continue watching and practice with this video from start to end. And don't forget to subscribe since you're already here. Okay, so grab your mannequin and let's do this. So let's start by parting off a section of the hair. You want to keep the remaining hair out of the way. So I like to comb the hair away from the hair that I parted, and then I use a clip to keep it into place. Then we're gonna go ahead and take out a section for this braid, like so. Once you do that, you split the section into 3 legs. This is leg 1, this is leg 2, and this is leg 3. You're mainly going to be using your index finger to get this done. I start with my left hand and bring my left index finger on top of my leg 3. I'm doing the same thing, but I'm using my right index finger on top of leg 1. You want to make sure that you are always holding on to 3 legs. Again, your left index finger goes over leg 3, and then your right index finger goes over leg 1. We continue this pattern all the way throughout until the braid is braided all the way down. This braid is an example of how to get the foundational pattern of a cornrow. While we cornrow, we are doing this exact repetitive pattern, except we'll add in hair on each side. So here's the visual of what I mean. So I go ahead and I take out my section again and create my 3 legs. My left finger goes on top of leg 3. My right finger goes over on top of leg 1. My left index finger is going over leg 3, and then now as it's going over leg 3, I'm going to add the hair on the side into that index finger. I do the same thing with my right index finger. I grab hair on that side as I grab leg 1. Again, my left index finger goes over leg 3. As it's going over leg 3, I'm adding hair on the side into the index finger as I go. Same thing with my right index finger. I grab hair on that side as I go over leg 1. For the rest of this video, I want you to just watch and familiarize yourself with the pattern. And this is lesson 5 of Braided Lessons by Braidednikki. I hope you found this video valuable. In case you missed it, check out lesson 1 to 4, where I share other valuable braid techniques that you can take with you. Thank you for watching.